Have you ever heard of a motocross track that has all the same amenities as an all-inclusive resort? Cycle Ranch has it all. Check it out next.
3, 2, 1.
When you hear the word resort, a motocross park isn't normally the first thing that comes to mind. But for Ian Gray and Emily Delane, they've brought their own experience from living in Costa Rica. From fully furnished cabins to a delectable cafe and full-service rider shop, they also offer bike and gear rentals for those who wish to fly in from anywhere in the world. This is Cycle Ranch.
Cycle Ranch actually was here before I was in Texas. The owner of VP Fuels had this property and it was supposed to be a horse farm for his girlfriend. I came upon it much later. I was traveling the country in an RV, just hitting different motocross tracks, building a bit of a social media network, and made some adjustments. And we've gone out here and started putting my heart and soul into it. Motocross is the vehicle that brings everybody here, but for us, this is about bringing people together, building community, having something to do with your family to create those strong family ties. We're a Christian organization, so we have strong faith and we use that to guide us, and those Christian morals and principles as a business to bring people together, help build strong human beings and strong relationships. And that's really the most important thing.
When opening, Ian made a point that we absolutely need to have food on the property. And when creating the menu, it was less about what might be popular to the community at this point in time and more about what's gonna fuel their body. And that led us to having a solid smoothie menu, getting locally sourced beef for our lunch options, and just having good quality food and focusing on the quality. And another very important thing for us personally was having very good coffee. And we like our lattes in the morning. If you're staying at any of our cabins, you can wake up, you don't have to go down the street to a coffee shop. You can wake up, walk right up here, get a nice coffee, come back for lunch later in the day, and know that you'll be healthy, feeling good, feeling fueled all day long.
All right, we're out here at Cycle Ranch, just on the outskirts of San Antonio in Floresville, Texas, on a beautiful sunny Sunday. And I'm standing on top of their biggest feature on the track right now. It's a step on, step up. It's a really cool jump. It's completely uphill. It's got like a 60-foot jump to flat uphill, followed up by a little tabletop that's about another 50, 60 feet. Plenty of room to grow on this jump. I'd see kids on 65s and 85s just giving it their all, and I'm like third gear pinned on my 450, and it's just barely getting over it. So this is a fun jump, fun track. Welcome to Cycle Ranch, Floresville, Texas. All right, guys, here I'm going to be testing out the full national track, which is a crazy big track, big jumps, big corners, you name it, this track has it. This is one of 4 tracks. They also have a night track, which has supercross style rhythm section, bigger jumps, and also a vet track that is more mellow and very, very high speed. And if you haven't done it already, smash that subscribe, that like button, leave me a comment what you guys think. At the very end of the video, I'm going to be doing a hot lap with the Insta360 so you can get a feel for what it looks like at full speed in a fully dynamic experience.
Guess I gotta go quick. Time to adjust. Time to adjust.
I'd like to take the time here to thank the sponsor of this video, Insta360. I captured a lot of these shots, especially this hot lap right here. Thanks to them, I'm able to produce these videos for you guys to watch, and I've included the link in my bio if you'd like to purchase this camera. Every purchase that you make through the link in my bio does help me and supports me in my video making and my production. If you haven't done it already, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment on what you think about this video. I read every single comment, and I do love hearing from you guys. May the Lord Jesus Christ bless you. Enjoy the rest of this video. Now that I got my bike all muddy and all my clothes, it's time for me to go hit the showers, and then after I get done doing that, I'm gonna go hit their public pressure washing station. You can go and buy a token from the cafe, and they will give you 7 minutes of pressure washing time per token to wash your bike. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys on the next one.